My name is Clint Cannon. I'm the owner and president of ATS Diesel Performance. I opened ATS in 1993, so we're 26 years now. I think what drives people here is all about the people that are here. It's about the products, the longevity. You know, we've been in business for a long time, and then cleaning that up with good customer service. Really, the majority of our products is your everyday guy that's towing trailers, pulling fifth wheels, over-the-road guys that's hot-shotting, the construction guy that's working on the job site. If it's a truck and it's anything generally less than heavy duty, we build the products for it. We're involved in a lot of racing just because that's where so much of the development comes from. And our parts really lend themselves really well to racing because they are designed to take abuse. The big thing with really high-performance transmissions, you have a lot of fluid shear. So of course, anytime we build a high-performance transmission, we generally increase the line pressure, sometimes as much as double. When you're compressing fluid, that generates a ton of heat. The hotter transmission fluid gets, it breaks down. So as your viscosity breaks down, it gets thinner, then that means it's much harder for the transmission to do its work. High-performance transmissions are really prone to breaking transmission fluids down, so you always have to run a really high-grade synthetic in them. There's two elements of engineering that we really go really far beyond. One is the normal high mileage failures. For instance, certain valves will wear out and there's nothing you can do about it unless you redesign the system. And then some of the hard parts, for instance, you know, all of our transmissions, we build bigger pumps for them, which of course gives us the ability to make higher pressure. All the torque converters, instead of going to a single disc, they're all 5-disc converters. We replace the planets or strengthen the planets. All the clutch material, all the steels are generally choline, so it's a heat-treated steel plate, so they will take more abuse, they won't warp. When you kind of put all that together and you put a really good transmission fluid in it, the package is just very seamless, works very well, and works for a long time. I've been using AMSOIL for almost 30 years now. When it comes to something that will really hold up in these high-performance trannies, AMSOIL has always done an incredible job for us, so it's kind of a no-brainer. AMSOIL is definitely the choice.
Get your transmission the protection it demands at AMSOIL.com/ATF.